Well, that's a really interesting shaped cloud right there. That's cool. It's like a pause in between the two sets of clouds, because it's really nice outside right now. It's really pretty, but over there's a whole bunch of clouds headed this way again, and they're billowing quite a bit. Like you can see that cumulus right there is starting to billow. They all are. So it's pretty cool. Clouds are awesome. That's the wide shot of that cloud. I'm not sure, but it looks like what they were calling a shelf cloud. Some more interesting clouds to look at. That right there. They're billowing up really high right now. Come around the corner, it might be a little easier to see. But you can see on the horizon out there that they're starting to get puffy, really puffy. But they're really pretty too. They're really pretty to look at. There's another one of those that has that same like shelf cloud shape. It's huge. That cloud is really tall, really tall. I'll come around the corner. There might be more, but this is what it looks like right now. And that shelf cloud is heading towards us, and it's got a smaller cloud that's in a different layer. And there's more billowing clouds. And over there behind the shopping center, there's a whole new like set of clouds that are heading this way. And you can see puffy. I think that is just one big giant shelf cloud, the supercell. See, it's all connected, and they all have the same similar shape, like the little flat part that goes out in front, but it's coming this way. It's kind of going that way and this way. So that's how it, you see, it's all one big cloud, and both sides of it have a similar shape.